on behalf of IEPF Authority, I welcome you all. May I request all of you to please switch on your videos. Seeing is believing, so it will be a pleasure to see each other in this brilliant collaboration and partnership. Although we are distantly related, but it would be a pleasure. I would like to welcome our respected Joint Secretary MCA and CEO IEPFA, Shri Manoj Pandey ji. Thank you very much for joining and gracing the occasion, sir. And I would like to welcome Mr. Dheeraj Sanghi, Country Head, INDUSIND Bank. Thank you very much for joining in. We also have with us General Manager IEPFA, Shri Navneet Chouhan ji. I also welcome Mr. Gaurav Gupta, DGM, IEPFA. Thank you, Rajiv ji, for coordinating and being present here during this ceremony. May I request all the members to please switch on their videos. We are recording the event and we will be posting this live on our social media platforms. So I request all of us to please come to us on your videos. Thank you very much. This moment brings all of us towards the MOU signing ceremony between INDUSIND Bank and IEPF Authority. IEPF Authority is very happy to collaborate with INDUSIND Bank today. This is a small virtual MOU signing ceremony in the graceful presence of Shri Manoj Pandey, Joint Secretary and CEO IEPFA. In a short while from now, the MOU will be signed. Before that, I would request the JS and CEO, Shri Manoj Pandey ji, to kindly address us on this momentous occasion.
Thank you, Ma. Dear Shri Dheeraj Sanghi ji, Country Head, Branch Banking, INDUSIND Bank, Shri Navneet Chouhan, our General Manager, Shri Gaurav Gupta, our Deputy General Manager, and other officers from IEPFA and INDUSIND Bank. It's always customary to say that we are all very happy to be part of this signing ceremony. But actually, it's a very momentous occasion. Why? Because bank which has collaborated with us. And collaboration is happening on co-branded IEC collaterals for spreading investor awareness and protection program. So it's a big task in hand with IEPFA, for which IEPFA always seeks collaboration with different parties, different organizations. So the initiative taken by INDUSIND Bank for collaborating with the authority for propagating investor awareness and financial literacy among the masses is really praiseworthy. I appreciate the efforts of the bank for coming forward for such a noble social cause, for spreading awareness and strengthening ties with IEPFA. This collaboration actually is aimed at an exceptional cause of serving the people of the country by contributing to the awareness mission of IEPF Authority. As you would be aware that IEPF Authority has twin mandates under Section 125 of the Companies Act. One, settling the claims of dividends, underlying shares and different amounts which are lying with IEPFA and which were sent by companies under Section 125. Because if the investors are not claiming, those claims are coming to us and we are settling the claims. This feature was not available before 2013 Act. So government has taken a major step to settle dividends and underlying shares. Now this collaboration with INDUSIND Bank is for information dissemination and reaching out to common stakeholders. And this as you all would be aware, the mandate of the authority aims to help investors focus on fruitful investments, asking from Ponzi and fraudulent schemes, thus helping in contributing country's economic growth. MOUs with these banks like Bank of Baroda, ICICI, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So when INDUSIND Bank is now getting integrated with us on MCA 21 platform as far as company's incorporation are concerned, because you would be aware that now through Spice Plus, we are also allotting bank accounts along with EPFO, ESIC, professional tax. So there are 11 services which we are giving through this Spice Plus. I think in this week itself, INDUSIND Bank should be able to get integrated. I think testing has already been completed, and now they would be on board. As far as IPFA is concerned, the bank would be the fourth bank after ICICI Bank of Baroda and Kotak Mahindra Bank to tie to spread awareness among investors. It's a noble social cause which will help people to refrain from falling prey to the fraudulent schemes. I have seen the website of INDUSIND Bank, and it seems that they have a very good digital presence. I'm sure that sharing of co-branded collaterals on digital platforms will have a wider impact on the target audience. I'm hopeful that the bank will work wholeheartedly with IPFA in spreading the message. Now, both the parties should also work towards creation of content that IC material and strategic use of all the available marketing channels. That is placement of IPFA digital banners and posters on investor awareness and protection at all ATMs, kiosks, access points, collaboration on digital platforms, and social media accounts. Showcasing of IPFA short film for customer awareness, fraud prevention, usage of bank website, mobile app to place content of IPFA on customer awareness and protection would go a long way in spreading the message of investors' awareness and protection. New innovative methods for collaboration on social media and digital platforms should always be explored. This will give insight to the investors about the working of the IPFA as well as the bank. What are the schemes of the banks, and also the message of the IPFA that one should not fall prey to the fraudulent schemes. Aware and educated investors will always help in countries' development and also in developing the financial markets. The authority, in pursuance of a constant quest for excellence, has been adopting various measures to ease the citizen service delivery. To inform Mr. Sanghi and all others present here, so far IPFA has settled more than 11,000 claims. Settle means the approval has been granted, and more than 500 crore worth of money and market value of shares have been transferred to the claimants. About investor awareness and protection, more than 50,000 investor awareness programs have been conducted in rural and urban areas. While partnering with the banks, we have also partnered with other organizations like CAC Governance, India Post Payment Bank, Nuriwa Kendra Sangathan, with an aim at reaching both rural and semi-urban masses. The MOUs with the banks to share messages of IPFA on digital media will serve the purpose of informed investors about the benefit of the wise and productive investment. If the exercise of spreading investor awareness message is not a one-time exercise, but a continuous exercise, ongoing exercise, and more innovative mechanism is required to impart investment-related awareness more frequently, and particularly when market is aspiring to have more and more new innovative financial products. While I think Mr. Dheeraj Sanghi will talk further about the initiatives of INDUSIND Bank towards financial market as well as towards investor awareness. I urge upon the officers of authority and also INDUSIND Bank to place that the efforts would be made to undertake massive investor awareness campaign on digital platform to help people prey to Ponzi schemes, manage money more efficiently, and to achieve financial well-being by accessing appropriate products and services. through entities which are working in a fair and transparent ways. And also, they are working towards countries' economic development and with a mission which our Honorable Prime Minister has said that we have to be a $5 trillion economy by 2024. It's a mission in progress where everybody has to contribute and everybody has to join hands together. And informed investment, informed investor will certainly make India economically vibrant and a superpower, a financially aware India and empowered India. With these words, I again thank INDUSIND Bank that they have joined hands with IEPF authority. And also, I'll ask the bank officials that they should actively associate themselves with the Spice Plus form and should try to be on board with when the MOU is getting signed. And after conclusion of this MOU signing ceremony, I'm sure that the messages of IEPFA will be placed on the websites and different digital platforms and INDUSIND Bank. Thank you very much once again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir, for those inspiring words. Briefly, you have indicated the mandate of the IEPF authority and its achievement. As JS has rightly pointed out, this is going to be a momentous and yet another feather in the cap of IEPFA that we are joining hands with INDUSIND Bank to promote one of its very important, significant mandate, which is to promote and to propagate the investor education and financial literacy in the country through digital platforms. As we all are aware that INDUSIND Bank has wonderful digital solutions in reaching out to its stakeholders, IEPF authority will be very happy to join hands with INDUSIND Bank to take the message to the similar stakeholders. On that note, may I now request Mr. Dheeraj Sanghi, Country Head, INDUSIND Bank, to kindly address us on this occasion.
Thank you so much, Uma, and thank you, Shri, Manoj, for giving this opportunity of joining hand with IEPFA. And I think it's one of the best opportunity for any bank to join hand for the organization which is working in the interest of the client and customer. And I was going through an entire literature that 2016 onward, the way this organization is working relentlessly to educate all the clients, not only semi-urban, but urban and metro as well. I think it's a really mind-blowing work which we are doing for the clients which are, I can say, naive on financial transactions front. And we are definitely doing all the course for the overall. So now I am seeing even Mr. Anil has joined our WebEx. So I will ask him to take us further in that. But before I invite Mr. Rao, I really want to thank Shri Manoj Pandey for giving us this opportunity. And I can assure you, sir, that within a week, that we will try to get that signing of those MOU for Spike as well. So that Rajiv is working on that, and I think we will be fourth bank. So that when any client will go on your MCA site, so in drop down, we will be reflecting there. So my IT team is working relentlessly on that, and I will personally monitor. And coming to display of IEPFA thing on our website, on our digital platform, we will definitely do, sir. We generally feel that it's our duty to educate our clients. We are having now very big India presence. We are having 1900 plus branches. We are having ATMs. Our mobile banking transaction, we are exponentially growing year on year, month on month, day on day. Even in METI rating, I think 2 months back we were Pan India #1 among all banks, which follow the digital transactions per branch for every bank. So I think it's going to be interesting journey, sir. And I can tell you that from bank side, the opportunity which you are going to provide now, we are going to take it forward. Thank you once again for giving us this opportunity. And I want to now call Mr. Anil Rao to address entire to enter these ceremonies. Unfortunately, Mr. Sumant Katpalia, he is having some medical things at home. That's why he could not make it. Otherwise, he was there. But Mr. Anil Rao, he is our Chief Administrative Officer for entire bank. So I want to welcome Mr. Anil Rao on this platform.
So first of all, I'd like to thank everybody on this meeting and gathering for the opportunity which you're giving us. INDUSIND Bank is extremely proud to be associated with this forum, and also looks forward to supporting the concepts, supports the particular ideology, and how we need to make sure that the same is getting communicated to all our customers. Like Dheeraj was saying, we already have 1900 plus branches. We have a network of over 2,600 ATMs. We cover 26 million plus customers. Through a Bharat Financial subsidiary, we have another, points of contacts which go over 25,000 points of contact, which we have with respect to even up to the grassroots level. So we take this opportunity, and we want to also emphasize that we see this as an ideology which we want to definitely work upon. One of the points was that, yes, we are digitally savvy. Our mobile application, our net banking application, even up to through the WhatsApp channel, we will make sure that we propagate this message to all the end users. We will also make sure that the publicity and due publicity in all possible media, which we are discussing or communicating with our customers, we will make sure that this concept is taken through. Like I again say, we are extremely proud. We are happy to be associated and with this MOU being signed up, and we would want to work closely with this particular department, and making sure that periodically we are able to understand what are the actions that we can take to implement this. Thank you all again for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Anil Rao. On that note, may I now request General Manager IEPFA, Shri Navneet Chouhan ji, and Shri Dheeraj Sanghi ji on behalf of INDUSIND Bank to kindly sign the MOU. So thank you very much, Navneet Chouhan sir and Dheeraj Sanghi ji for signing that MOU. So in the era of virtual events, we have the first attempt of with virtual MOU signing ceremony. We're very happy to be associated with INDUSIND Bank. On behalf of IEPFA, we would like to propose a formal vote of thanks. May I now request Mr. Gaurav Gupta, DGM IEPFA, to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. I would first of all like to thank INDUSIND Bank, their senior management, Dheeraj Sanghi ji and Mr. Anil Rao. They have spared their valuable time and energies to make this project come true. I would also like to thank the visionary leadership of our JS and CEO, Shri Manoj Pandey ji, and the constant support of our GM, Shri Navneet Chouhan ji, which has made this event come true. So I would just like to go through the ideology why we are signing these MOUs with the financial institutions. Because whenever we talk about investor education or financial education, the end motto is to bring the confidence of investors, of common citizens into formal channels of economy. So if we have the investor confidence in our formal channel, then only they will come to banks, they will come to stock markets, and in the process, they will get alienated from the informal channels, which have more chances of duping them. So these formal channels, be it bank, scheduled banks, they are well regulated, they are well monitored. So we want that our common citizen should have the knowledge that what benefits these channels provide to them, so that they can invest, they can reap the benefits, and all government schemes, whether it is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana or the insurance schemes, these also get percolated down to all our citizens. So I would like to thank the INDUSIND Bank and hope that this will be a mutually beneficial and rewarding experience for both the organizations. The citizens through INDUSIND Bank will learn how to probably engage more with the bank for all their financial needs, and the bank will be able to cater to them so that they do not fall prey to all the Ponzi schemes. Lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Baggaji, who, despite his personal constraints, I just met him on through digital medium on Saturday, that his young son was hospitalized, yet he was very enthusiastic and worked toward this. And our media advisor, who they are the actual persons who have rolled it out, this project on the on the ground. They have worked tirelessly at the background, and I think they have pulled off a magnificent event. I would like to thank all the people and appreciate the time they have put and the efforts they have put. Thank you from IEPF side. Thank you very much, and we will extend our fullest cooperation to get this through. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ajim sir. As it is said, that collaboration was simply never thought as a needed strategy earlier, but now to walk hand in hand and becoming partners in progress is indeed the need of the hour. In past 1 year, as the JS has rightly said, IEPFA has experimented such partnership, and the associations have borne fruit today. This will definitely give us an opportunity to move forward. This is just the beginning to work hand in hand as partners in progress. We are sure that INDUSIND Bank will come up with wonderful creatives. JS sir and GM sir, you would like to know that the INDUSIND Bank social media already they have posted a lot of creatives about this MOU, and they have a lot of following. And I'm sure that in times to come, we all will collaborate further. Thank you very much. On that note, congratulations and very good wishes on behalf of IEPFA. Thank you, Joint Secretary and CEO, sir. Thank you, Dheeraj Sanghi ji, General Manager, Gaurav Gupta ji, Rajiv Bagga, and all others. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Rao. Thank you, Mr. Sanghi. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.